Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Marathalli, Munne Kolal, right near Vagdevi Villa Super School, and this side you have Vagdevi School. So right near this school there is a property for sale. So let's go and have a look. So this is Vagdevi School total. So property is just walkable from Vagdevi School. So this is the surrounding. So in this lane, property is for sale. So this is the entrance. So here mostly all the buses parking will be there normally. So all the buildings are rental income buildings here. So this is the distance from the Vagdevi school. So very less time we reached. So same owner's the property. Even this is same owner's property, and even this. So if you are purchasing this property and this property, you can again construct and use lift. Lift is on the left hand side. So here you have lift. So if you're purchasing both the properties, then you will have advantage of using this lift for this building also. So it will be a major advantage. And one more advantage of this property is you have open ventilation behind, as the apartment is left walking pathway behind. So you have a small garden, then park area and all behind. As per Vastu, temple's shadow is not falling on the building nor on the property. Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Marathalli, Munne Kolal, Vagdevi School, right next to Vagdevi School in Vagdevi layout. So I'll show you the school, which is to be seen from this side. Under construction, there is new under construction of school as well. So this is rental income building for sale. So this is the surroundings. You have total rental income buildings, and this is the road, and from there you have 30 feet road, and right, if you take a left turn, you get Vagdevi school. So talking about the building, ground floor you have parking, lift, and 1 BHK 1 unit, and first floor you have 2 1 BHK, second floor 2 1 BHK, third floor 2 1 BHK, and fourth floor 2 1 BHK. So ground floor 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 1 BHK units with lift for pure rental, and total house is filled. And talking about the facing, it is east facing. So dimension is it is 26 from here to here, 26, and depth is 30. From there to end it is 30. So this side 1 feet setback is being left, and behind 1 feet setback. So total square feet is 780 square feet. It is 26 by 30. So let's go inside and have a look. So construction quality is very good. I'll show you all the old photos constructed like basement and everything, so that you will get an idea. Very beautiful construction. There is no issues. Very huge pillars used. I'll show on the terrace as well. This is the parking area, and this is Kaveri box which has been done, but not yet. Like Kaveri is just come till road, so till there it has come. That line which is digged, that is Kaveri. Here you have borewell, and this is for Kaveri. It has been ready. Just meter must be placed once water is in. And the biggest advantage is borewell. You have 3-inch water, and sump is 15,000. And in this total locality, you have very good water in this particular house. It is 3-inch water. So there is no issues on water, as it is common this locality for water issues. In this building there is no issues on water. So this is the total parking, and this is the apartments park and amenities. All the amenities views from behind, and you'll get a setback ventilation use. So that is the Vegdevi school under construction, extra building, and there you have Vegdevi school. So it is just right behind Vegdevi school. So this is 1 BHK, which is north facing, 1 unit, and this is the lift. So lift is 4 persons lift. So there is the parking area. So building is purely for rental income, and in this time also there is total house filled, and this is first floor. So you have 2 units in first floor, and this side you have apartment, so good ventilation. Total park you have in this, you can see open space. So for ventilation there is no issues. So this is first floor. So this is one BHK, second, ground floor 1 we have seen. This is second, third on the first floor. So this will be north facing, and this is west facing. So let's see one model house. Even this house has been tokened. It is like advance is done for rental. Recent tenants has been vacated, or else even this was filled. So in this you have like this is the living area, then kitchen, and here 1 bedroom and attached washroom. Not attached, you have common washroom. So this is the living area. You have total fittings, everything is being done, and TV cabinet, and here you have balcony. So this unit is having balcony. So this is the kitchen. good spacious it is. And your washing area can be used. So here you have one bedroom. And one washroom here. So you have geyser, everything fitted. So it is like one token has been done, and this will get occupied. Luckily we are able to see the house. Others all is tenanted now. So this is first floor. So this was the west facing unit we have seen, one model. So other all is similar. So just let's have a look to other floors. So second floor there is a dog, so let's skip that floor. So we are on third floor now. So ground floor 1, first floor 2, 3, second floor 4, 5, second floor it is 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. So same, even here this is north facing and this is west facing. So this is the apartment. And we are on the fourth floor. This is 1 BHK and here 1 BHK. So this will be 8 and this is 9. So 9 houses are being done. So total you have granite on the staircase. And this is terrace. There was initial plan of constructing G+5. Then they have completed just G+4. You can see the columns. It is huge columns used, and even rod you can see. So construction wise it is very good construction. I'll show you all the pictures which is there. This is the tank and this is the lift room. So that is Prestige Dream Acres, and road. So that road which is going, it is going on the left you have Vagdevi School. From here you can see. So that is the Vagdevi School. I guess you can see the board as well. Here you can see Vagdevi School, Vagdevi School. And here you have apartments, playground area. And there is the front road. Very small temple in front. So as per Vastu, shadow doesn't fall on the building, nor it doesn't fall till the footpath as well. So as it is a small, very small, not much used temple. So that is the bus stop for Vagdevi School. Now it has been used for just for playground. So locality wise, it is very close to uh, Purva Riveria and Vagdevi school. As you can see here, Vagdevi school, and purely for rental income. Total houses are filled, and all round you have on the left and behind you have setbacks, 1 feet setbacks left. So for the price and rental income, it is one of the best property in this surrounding, which you can get at this price. So for the price, you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp, you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.